Hello everyone, welcome back to BK by Dr. Noor, and this is Dr. Noor here. Are you planning to purchase an essential oil and don't know which one or whether to purchase it? Then you are at the right place. Being a doctor, my personal opinion about essential oil is that they are natural, obviously, and good, but only if they are used properly. And secondly, no matter what they claim, but none of the essential oil is primary or first line of treatment for any medical condition, even if it's as small as acne treatment. It is essential to be careful while using essential oils. Why? Because firstly, no matter how natural they are, but they are highly concentrated extracts. So their dilution is a must, and there is no standard protocol for their dilution. And the sensitivity can be different for a different person. It might cause photosensitivity and all those things. What is the correct way of using an essential oil? Number one is aromatherapy by means of diffusers and all that. We all know this, and it's a yes from my side also. But avoid it in big gatherings, especially if they are kids. And big gatherings should also be avoided because some people are sensitive to this essential oil, and prolonged use should not be favored. They are highly concentrated extracts, so their dilution is a must. Be cautious if you are using any kind of citric fruit essential oil, especially if you have to go in the sun. Then 24-hour exposure is a big no, big no, because it might cause photosensitivity and all those things. Some people love to use them in their bath water, so in that also you can add, but very little amount with a carrier oil, and make sure that they don't float like big globules on the water. I do not favor this at all, using any kind of essential oil on your skin. But if you still wish to use it, make sure you use it in wash off products like cleansers or soaps, and make one more thing sure that your cleanser or soap or whatever wash off product you are using should have the perfect carrier oil in it for that substance. There are chances you might need a doctor after using an essential oil. And how to know this? If you get any kind of irritation, any hive, any redness, anything like that in your skin, or any burning sensation, immediately stop the use of essential oil. Use something to wash off it immediately, preferably a mild soap or something, and then apply some oil. Although I don't prefer oil, but since it's giving you a reaction, so apply the carrier oil that is recommended to you, and then go to a doctor, stop that thing, and get a proper checkup done that it hasn't caused some big damage to your skin barrier or anything like that. At the end, I hope you all have been able to understand that essential oil are not good for skin. Please do not apply them on your skin. There are n numbers of ads, n numbers of commercials going on, and they are putting it on your face that essential oil is good for skin, essential oil is good for acne and this, but it is not. And hopefully you will not waste your money in these kinds of products. So it's a big no from my side, and from what my teachers taught me, all the dermat teachers, all the dermat clinic which I have attended during my internship, everyone said a big no to oil on your face, especially if it is a leave-in product. So make sure you don't do this mistake to your skin. And if you have anything related to your skincare routine, please go and check my other video on skincare routine. There's also a video on pH balance, which may get disturbed if you are using an essential oil. So don't forget to check that also. And if you have found my video good and knowledgeable, don't forget to share it, like it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.